Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shantina here. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about moisture versus protein balance. Okay, for the last 2 or 3 months I have been on a huge kick about growing my hair out, getting strength to my hair strands, and all around just the health of my hair. And I'm just talking all about protein, talking about collagen peptides, talking about rice water. I'm right in the middle of a rice water challenge, and I have not really been talking to you guys about moisture. You must add moisture to your hair, especially if you're doing a lot of protein, if you're adding a lot of protein to your hair care regimen. So as you may know, protein is like a building block that is added to your hair strands that pretty much fill in the gaps to where your hair strands are weak at, and that's what make it stronger. And what happens is when you use a lot of protein to build that, it just dries your hair out because it's adding those different layers, or it's filling in the places where your hair is like missing, like hair shafts. So therefore it's causing your hair, it's filling in more, and what's happening is that it's causing your hair to lose moisture. So this is why it is very important that you add moisture to your hair. And you want to have a good balance of moisture and protein in your hair, because you need both of them to grow your hair and for strength of your hair. So moisture is anything like water or a product that has water as the first ingredient. And you want to be adding moisture to your hair in a deep conditioner at least once a week. You want to do that even if you have high porosity hair, if you have low porosity hair, if you have medium porosity hair. But if you have low porosity hair, you really don't need a whole lot of protein. But if you're adding protein weekly because you're trying to build your hair strands, you want to just make sure that you are following it up with a very deep conditioner that has a lot of moisturizing agents in it. So I've been doing a rice water challenge for about 3 weeks now, and I'm noticing, my hair is growing, it's getting thicker, and the strength of my hair is very strong. However, I am noticing that my hair is starting to feel a little like straw, like hay, a little bit too strong. So I am going to stop using the rice water. I did do the rice water one last time last week, and today I am going to show you like the length of my hair based off of last week's measurements. I did that in the video from last week. You can go check that video out so you can see where my hair was last week. And I'm going to do one more measurement for this week, and I'm not going to do the rice water anymore. I'm going to I'm not going to do it again in this challenge. What I'm going to do, because I do like the rice water and I do like the shine that it brings, and it is growing my hair out and it is getting thick, along with the collagen peptides that I'm taking. So I'm going to scale back on using the rice water so much. I think I'm going to use the rice water like once a month, or at the most twice a month. But in between those protein treatments with the rice water, I am definitely going to be moisturizing my hair. So stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the last measurement from using the collagen peptides and from using the rice water where my hair is today. And then I'm just going to periodically just check in just to let you know how the health of my hair is, and how the rice water is working, and how the collagen peptides is working. And I'll check in every once in a while to do a length check for you guys. A quick update about the rice water. Yesterday I applied the rice water a little different. I pretty much applied it just to my scalp and not to the rest of my hair. I focused it mostly on my scalp, gave myself a nice scalp massage, and then I added the deep conditioner to my hair before I put the hot head on my hair, and I did let it sit for 1 hour again. So that brings me to the point where I want to talk about the deep conditioners that I've been using that is protein sensitive. Well, for people with protein sensitive hair, you want to use, when you're doing protein treatments, you do not want to use a conditioner that has any protein in it. So I want to give you some information on the conditioners that I've been using that do not have any protein in them. So yesterday I did use this As I Am Hydration Elation. It has coconut, sugarcane, green tea, apple, lemon, vegetable glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E. It has no protein in it. I really like this. It's very lightweight, but it has a lot of moisture in it. It smells really good. If you know what the As I Am products smell like, it smells just the same as the co-wash does, the same exact way. It's very creamy, very, very creamy. It's very lightweight, but like I said, it has a lot of moisture in it. And as you can see, the ingredients that is in this has a lot of moisture building agents in it. Like the vegetable glycerin is a big humectant in this particular line. So if you're looking for a deep conditioner that doesn't have any protein in it, try this As I Am Hydration Elation. Very, very good. A lot of the times I like to do my finger detangling when I put in my deep conditioner, and this product allowed me to do that because it's not real thick and it has a lot of slip, and when you add the rice water to it, it just gave it even more slip. So this product right here, I will be purchasing it again. I probably just won't use it as much because of how small the container is, but it's definitely one that I will reach for in the future. And so here's another deep conditioner that I like to use. I used this one last week and the week before. This is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This one is with raw honey and olive oil. And when you look at the ingredients on this, there is no protein in this one either. It has a lot of good slip. Oh, excuse me. It smells good. Smells like, I don't know, maybe Skittles. It smells really good. It gives me a lot of slip. It's lightweight. Again, you can use this in place. When you can alternate this when you're doing protein treatment, you're going to use this with the protein treatment, and then you can use this on the days that you're not doing a protein treatment, just to add more moisture to your hair care regimen. And that goes for the other deep conditioner also. Alright, so there's two other deep conditioners that I want to talk about and that I'm going to try next week. I'm going to try one deep conditioner next week. I'm going to do a product review on it, and then the next week after that I'm going to do another video on the other deep conditioner. So the one deep conditioner that I haven't used yet, but I'm excited to use, I've heard a lot of good things about this deep conditioner from Eden Body Works. It's their natural deep conditioner, their jojoba, and it has jojoba and manoi oil in it. I heard a lot of good things about this product. It's not that expensive. It really don't have a smell to it, which is good. So if you're sensitive to smells, this one is the way to go. It's pretty thick, as you can see. I haven't used it. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty thick, but kind of lightweight at the same time. It's kind of bouncy in texture, not like a cream, more like whippy. Maybe I won't know until I actually put it on my hair, but it looked like it's going to give me some good slip also. It says that it is paraben free and sulfate free, And I'm looking at the ingredients here, and it does not have any protein in it. So this is another great hydrating conditioner that you definitely want to probably start using. But I'll let you know for sure when I start using it. But it looked like it's going to be a good one. I've been hearing some really good things about this conditioner. Okay, so last but not least, I've been hearing a lot of good things about this particular brand. It's an oldie but goodie, African Pride. A lot of people know about African Pride. African Pride has been around a long, long time. And they have come out with a Moroccan clay and shea butter detox and soften heat activated mask. I am so excited to try this out. One, because I have low porosity hair, and anything that's like heat activated mask, that just gets me excited because I use steam and heat on my hair when I'm doing deep conditioners, and this right here, I feel like it's going to be a great pair. And the fact that it says it's a detox. I haven't detoxed my hair in so long. I probably need to get a clay mask and detox my hair, but I'm definitely going to try this out. I got all of these products from Target. You can definitely get them from Target. This here smells like clean, kind of like salon clean, and it's pretty thick and creamy. I'm excited to use it. I don't have too much to say about it. I did do a little research on it, and a lot of people like it. They like this particular line. Apparently this is pretty new, and this particular line that African Pride has come out with, Moisture Miracle, it says it's for natural coils and curls. It has no parabens, no mineral oils, no sulfates, and no petroleum. So this is definitely a great product that you can use, and it has no protein in it. So it's a detoxer and it moisturizes. So I'll let you guys know how I feel about this one in about a week. I think I'm gonna do this one first because I do need this. I do need to detox my hair and my scalp, and then I'm gonna go ahead the next week do the other. So again, I just pretty much wanted to come on, let you guys know what I was doing with my hair, and I'm stopping the rice water challenge, not because it's damaged my hair, not because it's not working. It is working. It has not damaged my hair. I just noticed that my hair was starting to feel a little like straw, like I keep saying. So, and I didn't want that feeling, and only thing I can think of is that maybe I'm putting too much protein on my hair, and that's fine. I stopped it, and we're going to continue with this moisture. Again, the rice water challenge has been awesome. My hair grew from 1 week to the next. At the end of this video, like I said, I'm going to change my shirt, put back on my striped shirt, and then let's see how long my hair has gotten this week. As you can see, I feel like it's gotten thicker. My hair is definitely getting thicker, and I know I have it to owe it to, I know I can owe that to the collagen peptides that I've been taking since January. I did 2 videos on that, on collagen peptides. Go check that out if you want to. And with this rice water challenge here, I know that it's added some length to my hair, and I'm excited about that. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here. I want to thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share, like, leave a comment below. Let's communicate with each other. And as always, remember to stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. All right, until the next video, I will see you later. Bye.